Hi, Gordon here, and this is my robot. Took about 2 weeks to build. Reasonably simple. 2 weeks because of the postage and packaging stuff. That's the motor driver, and on the front here we have the infrared sensor. Here in the back we have a battery and the power lead, which I soldered on and put heat shrink around. And I put the connector on the end. That's what the heat shrink was for. Got a connector jack on my Arduino here, and we just got this connected to the infrared sensor, to the motor driver, and then the motors are connected to the motor driver. And the motors are under here. Just 2 dual motors and a front ball bearing wheel, so it can sort of go omnidirectional. Sorry, it's called an omni wheel. And just some random things in there. Right, let's show you is it working. Oh, you might be able to see the infrared that it's bouncing off from the front. I'll show you that actually. Confirm it's working. You can see the infrared there. That's invisible to our eyes, but it's constantly measuring the distance in front of it. And any object that you put in front of it, will automatically determine it's there and avoid it. Then figure out a good angle to go at. Yeah, doesn't have very precise object avoidance because it isn't aware of angles. But it is working nonetheless. Right now it's smashing itself against the wall, trying to find a way out. As I said, it's not aware of angles, so it can't possibly measure angles. So it's just got to find the easiest way out. It doesn't remember its path either, so that's another improvement I will work on in the future. Just trying to get out the door. Realised it can't. And now it got trapped under something. It's gotten confused. Legs bumping into things apparently. It's almost impossible to catch as well. Let's show you the infrared sensor working. Putting my hand in front of it to try and confuse it. I can't catch it. It hasn't been a total failure. Okay, it's escaped. 1 second. This is just basic object avoidance. It's back under the table. I'm confused and trapped again. At the moment it just measures the distance in front of it. The front, the left and the right of it. And then it figures out which is the less distance apart, then moves to that angle. And then rescans to make sure it can go in that direction or not. Whether it can or not. very good at avoiding objects that are moving, but nothing static. It's very good at avoiding. It doesn't have motor speed control either, so all things I'll get in the future for it.